Okay, greetings from Mesquite, Texas. We're gonna check out a car wash at an auto care place. I have no idea if it's open, but we'll see, because it should be. I checked their times. Oh, okay, I think they're still open. I just gotta go around to the back with the car wash. It's kind of weird. So this is Kwik car, and they have a car wash. An interesting one, to be specific. Is it open? Nope. Huh. They must have just closed it up because it was operating not so long ago. Shame. Oh well. Yeah, I'm not supposed to be going this way. It's AUTEC. 425, I think. Yeah, it's just used for storage. It's probably just converted to storage within the last few months. That is a big disappointment. That stinks. Sorry, that's a little dark, but okay, well.